Locksmith near me,
Airdrie Alberta.
If you're locked out and need keys, call Mr. Locksmith.
Airdrie Alberta.
If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, call Mr. Locksmith.
Airdrie Alberta.
Rekey locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change, Mr. Locksmith
Airdrie
is there to help. You lost your keys to your mailbox? We can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. If you're locked out of your mailbox, we can make you new keys. Mr. Locksmith
Airdrie
does commercial and residential services. House lockout, locked out, need keys, no problem. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. If you need a master key system, we can design it from scratch or we can add on to your existing master key system. Mr. Locksmith
Airdrie
is your complete locksmithing service. Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks. Abloy, Primus, Slage, Weiser, Kwikset, Ingersoll Rand, Multilock, Assa, Medico, Abloy. If you're locked out of your safe and you can't get in, we specialize in opening safes that you can't get open. If you're locked out of your Sentry safe, call Mr. Locksmith
Airdrie.
We can open that safe easily and quickly. So for a locksmith,
Airdrie Alberta.
call Mr. Locksmith.